it's starting to rain, and it sucks because we just had the damn Nissan detailed. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's going to happen with this car next. Welcome on back, guys. It is another hot day here in beautiful Las Vegas, and we're going to talk about what we're going to do with that Nissan Versa here in just a few minutes. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. So got a full detail and got a good discount on a good detail. It was 188 bucks out the door. They steamed and everything, cleaned the inside, which I know is extremely cheap considering what I had done to the car, because the car actually smelled like mildew and ass. Strap is digging into my side, man. Whew. Anyways, so let's talk a little bit about the Nissan. So now, full cost in, after doing title paperwork and the whole nine, detail, wash, clean, all that good stuff, $6,300 into that car. Now, what can I sell that car for? Well, I'm guessing I could probably sell that car fairly quickly, private sale, for $9 grand, make a few $1,000 real quick. Or I could probably run it through Manheim or one of the dealer auctions out here, and I, believe it or not, might get more than I would private party sell it. Now, I know I could list it and let it sit for a while, and list it on Facebook and Craigslist and Cars.com and all those other places, and I'd probably get like 11.5 for it, probably, maybe 12. I mean, it is a clear title. It is a 2021. I probably could even get more than that for it. We'll have to see. I've actually had, since I did the video on picking it up at IAA and saying, you know, like, it's got a clean title, and it's no brand. There's no Flood brand on the title. Clear title. Literally, dealers that watch me here in Vegas was like, yo, TK, I'll take that shit off your hands immediately. I will buy that right now. And I was like, all right. So I'm considering it. We'll see what happens. We want to get I want to get as much money as I can out of the car, so then I can do kind of a thing to show, like, yeah, it does take money to play. You know, you had to pay to play, but you know, a little bit over a $6,000 investment, and I could turn that 6 grand into probably 10 or 11 grand, right? Almost a double up, right? Not quite. Maybe if I really wanted to wait, I could probably get 12 out of it. Who knows, man? You know, it's not a very, I mean, yes, gas prices are ridiculous, so a car that gets over 30 miles a gallon is in demand, but it's not, you know, it's not like a friggin' Hellcat or something where people will beat down the door to get that vehicle. So, you know, it is what it is. It's raining out here. That dude is living his best life. And that Solara, I don't know if y'all saw him. He got the top down. He's like, F that rain. But anyways, so I'm on the way to the doctor's right now. Today's physical therapy day, and they stick all the electrodes on me and shock my muscles and all that cool stuff and whatever. But I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the Sentra and where we're at with it. Now that it's all cleaned up and been detailed and good to go, I think I could probably list it for sale, and you guys could follow along, and we'll see how much we can get it for. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should actually sell the car for. Now, I know some people are like, TK, you're going to do a members giveaway. Yes, not with a $6,000 car, though. I'm sorry. That said, I am winning the Suburban that you saw in the walk-around a few days ago. The V8 with the sound system and stuff in it. So I think I might make that, as much as I want that truck for myself, because it's pretty sound outside of the air conditioning, and I might try to address that issue. I think that would be a pretty cool members only giveaway, because I'm going to win that truck for like probably less than $1 grand. That's where I'm at. That's what I'm guessing. And even if it's like $1,500 bucks, it's still not bad as a members only giveaway. I think it's about time I start doing that again and getting into this, and you know, giving it up for the members that are here and supporting my channel and pushing me every month. So I really appreciate it. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what was going on with the Nissan and talk a little bit about that. Now that you guys know, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace.